How to install PyCharm for Windows 11. So hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can download and install PyCharm for your Windows 11 PC. So in order to download the PyCharm, the first thing that you need to do is open any web browser of your choice, be it the Google Chrome, the Microsoft Edge or the Mozilla Firefox. All you need to do is just open any web browser that is best suitable for you. So for this particular demonstration, I will be using the Google Chrome browser. So here I am inside my Google Chrome web browser, and then once you are inside your web browser, you need to search for PyCharm download. So once you have searched for PyCharm download, simply hit the enter button and you can see the first search result from JetBrains that says download PyCharm, the Python IDE for data science, and the official website is www.jetbrains.com. So simply click onto this first link by jetbrains.com, and here is the download button right here. There is a message that just appeared related to cookies, so you can simply cross it, and from here under the downloads you need to click onto this exe windows button. If you will click onto this drop down arrow, you will also see the option for an ARM64 architecture if you want, but for now I will be downloading it for the normal Windows. So simply click onto this and choose the exe windows option, and from here it is asking again for the cookies, but here you can see the download has been successfully started for the PyCharm version 2025.1.1.1 exe. So let us download this exe file, and once the download will be successfully completed, we will be able to install the PyCharm from this particular installer. So here you can see that after the successful download of this installer.exe, we will attempt to open this so that we can install a PyCharm into our Windows 11 computer. So once I've clicked the open button, I might need to click onto the yes if a permission asks for, and once I will do this, my PyCharm installer setup will open. Now from here you need to click onto the next button, and then it will ask you to choose a installation location or the destination folder. So if you want to give it a separate or a custom installation location, then you can click onto this browse button, but I will be going with the default installation location, and then I'm going to click next. And then from here I have some other options like creating a desktop shortcut, update context menu, create associations.py, and update path variables. So you can choose to enable this particular option that says update path variable, as it is actually very important. Then you need to click onto this next button, and then from here you need to select the start menu folder in which you would like to create the program shortcut. So simply click onto this install button, and here you can see that the installation process has begun for our PyCharm in Windows 11. So let us wait for the installation process to finish, and then we will be able to use our PyCharm. Also, if you want to see the details of the installation, then you can click the see details button, and here are the installation, and you can have a rough idea about everything that's being going on. So let's wait for the installation, and then we will move on by launching our PyCharm. So here you can see that after the successful installation, you can see this dialog box that asks you to reboot your system. So if you wish to reboot your system now, you can choose the first option, or you can choose the second option that says I want to manually reboot later. I'm going with the second option, and then you can click onto the finish option, and that's it for the installation part, and you have successfully installed PyCharm into your Windows 11 computer. And if we try to open the PyCharm application, you can simply search for it onto the search bar, and then click onto this PyCharm application right here, and let's wait if it opens. and here is the PyCharm application booting up, and here it is giving us the user agreement that you have to click onto this I confirm button and click onto the continue, and then you can choose to send or not send the data, which I'm going to click onto the don't send. And here you might need to allow to message if it appears, and here it is asking to import settings that you can skip. And here we are inside the PyCharm for Windows 11. So that's it for this video. If this video was helpful to you, give it a like, do comment if this worked for you, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.